Hello. I'm kind of sick right now, but uh, sorry. Do you want to know how to make a pop-up screen in Roblox Studio? Oh, it's so laggy. All right, hold on. Do you want to make a pop-up UI in Roblox Studio? If yes, well, of course you've seen the title. Let's just get right into it. So first, create a GUI. Go here, pop, or just name it pretty much whatever. I'm just gonna name it pop-up. I'm gonna do this because every time you have a UI, you should turn this on and this off. And pretty much what this does, let me show you for example. Well, actually, just add a frame. And what you're gonna do is kind of select over this, hold it, throw it all the way till you can. Then, if if you don't see this, go into I think it's New Studio, whatever. Um, So put pop. Then we're gonna change the background to how you like it. Like probably like this. Let's add a UI corner. I'm not best with UI, but I think I could probably make something good. Yeah, this looks really good. And just gonna do this. And that looks pretty decent, doesn't it? Let's add a text label. Whoa, that's weird. Alright, like this. And actually, this is actually bugging me. I'm gonna add a frame again. So whenever you want to work with UI, I think you should like do it like this because it's pretty easy to work with in the middle. So sorry. So sorry. Oh man, I hate being sick, bro. All right. Let's say free sword, you know. Let's just change the color to like this. And I'm gonna move this to like here. Then we're gonna add a button. Oh, let me do something. Alright. Add a text button. And what you're gonna wanna do is like scale it to like this. Red background, okay? Background color right here. Go down. Fredoka one. That's like the cartoony-ish style. Then you're gonna just do this. Boom. Uppercase X. Or you could do this. But I kind of recommend that. And now we're gonna start scripting our thing, you know? So let me just alright, it's script. It's not hard, I promise you. Local script, not script. Boom. Now you'll see print hello world, and that just prints something in the output, which we're not gonna check. Well, at least not right now. We're gonna put local button equals oh actually since this could spoil it, I'm gonna go here and turn off script assisting. No, like this. Don't do this. I'm just doing it. Button, right? And then we're gonna do local frame equals button dot parent. And what this means, this is variables. So just do this variables, and it's just you have to do this and then this, but put it together and it makes a message. Or you could just take it like that. I don't care. Alright, whatever. Button dot mouse click enter. Oh, looks like I'm doing it a little too quick. You could either press enter or just put this. Make sure it looks exactly like this. Not button 2. Button 2 is the left click. This is, oh, I'm stupid. This is right click. This is left click. We want to go left click always. So yeah, we're going to do this. Connect function. We're going to go over here, delete that, and put that. It auto does to both of them. If it doesn't, just do that. Now look, we have a little thing. So cool, right? So we're gonna put X scripts. Then we're gonna do uh frame dot visible equals false. You wanna see what this does? Check it out. So right now I'll show you what it does. Alright, so look, when we go here, it closes it. Not surprising to me, but at least you did that. Whenever you make a button, don't ever add another script. Like a scaling thing that makes it like grow big, cause it overlaps and it breaks it. So just don't do it. Now we're gonna just follow what I do. Oh, I was muted the whole time. Dang it. But anyways, I bet we're gonna get that. That was tween. I mean, not tween. That was animated, and that was super cool, right? So anyways, gonna go to audio, and we're gonna search up click, and then we just pick a sound, any sound. Okay, whatever this sound could do, I guess. Uh, it sounds like some kind of game. Make sure it's not copyrighted. I don't know. Well, actually, it doesn't matter, whatever. Now we're gonna put as click. Okay, I'm gonna go here, then we're gonna go here. We're gonna put button dot button button dot click and play like that. It automatically does that. I'm pretty sure. Now we're gonna add a hover if we want to be extra fancy. Oh man, this is very easy code. Um, if you're pretty bad at scripting, I think you should probably learn from the other videos. But scripting, it could be easy, but if it's huge systems like I I don't know, like a whole game system, then I guess you could use AI, but just try to learn it, okay? Just uh don't use AI all the time. Use it when you really need it. Like you don't know anything, but also don't at least try was what I'm trying to say. And I'll see what our thing does. Okay, so it looks like our button animates. Dude, look at that. That was amazing, wasn't it? And you want to see something cool so you can see real time? So look, press script right here. Go to output right here, right? And what we're gonna do is do this print those, and then we're gonna put mount, and we're gonna put hovering. Then right here, we're gonna put print not hovering anymore. Up here, we're gonna put print clicked. If it doesn't work, it's alright. Just try to copy this code. I'll probably add a paste bin or just put it in the description. But really try, please. So look here, does that? Look, not hovering, hovering, oh, not hovering. Clicked. Amazing, right? So now let's move on to the pop-ups. How are we gonna do pop-ups, Telekuka? So look, actually what we're gonna do is local script, no scripts. We're gonna name this pop-up main, local main equals script dot parent. It's the script's parent, like a child and a parent. Cool, right? Main, main dot dot. Let's see, visible equals false. So we're setting this up, beginning. Or if you want, you could just turn it off here, but let's just do the extra fun part. Scripting is fun once you get to know it. It's like a person. Then look, we're gonna put main dot visible equals false. I wonder what this does, Telekuka. I'm Telekuka. Let's see. And wait, is it bugging out? Where's it at? What? What happened to my script, man? It looks like it doesn't work. Looks like, wait, I actually think it doesn't work. Where did it go? I'm being serious. I was just, what the heck happened? What, what just happened? I actually have no clue what just happened. So, yeah, let's see what's wrong, shall we? So let's actually move the script into the GUI. Let's change this to enabled. Enabled. Oh, I see. Look, we're supposed to change it to true. Doesn't matter. Just, yeah. So let's see. Will it work? Where's the GUI? I think we broke it again. Or it shows up and the button works. And you see, it shows in the output. Yes, it finally works. But that's not all. You see, you could change the weight. You could turn it to 100, a whole minute, but it doesn't go like that, though. It goes off of seconds. So you might need to do some research on how many seconds is a minute, how many seconds is 5 minutes, and so on. So, what if we want more, like, what if we want to get a free item, like a Robux? Well, I don't know. But what I do know is, well, I'm gonna try because I'm not that good at scripting, but I think I could make this work. I'm gonna change this to Franoka because, of course, everybody loves Franoka. We're gonna call this Give. And I don't know how to make a script, okay? I don't know how to do this, so I'm gonna need your help. First, let's add a part, okay? Let's name it handle. Go click this plus, put tool. There we go. Place it in the tool. And primary part is handle. Make sure this is required handle. And make sure you do not incur anything in tools. They do not work. So, how that works? Let's name it sword. Of course, you can change it to anything else. Put it to replicated storage. Now let's add a script. Alright, let's do work. Local button equals script parent. Local replicated equals game. This service replicated. Whoa, what was that? Encoding? That's cool. Replicated storage button. No, actually, local tool equals replicated storage dot sword button dot mouse. Click enter. Connect 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 function. And then we're gonna do uh so look, local player equals game get service players dot local player dot backpack. Okay, I know exactly how to do this. Tool dot parent equals player dot backpack. I have no idea if this script's gonna work, so let's test it out. And I think I might have learned something new from this. And there's already an error, which is bad. Oh, that's easy. That's an easy fix. So we go here, here, or actually here, yeah. We're gonna change this. Button dot mouse click enter. There. I probably got the error. You probably didn't, which is good. Let's see. Let's see if this even works. And what happened to our pop-up? Uh, guys. 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 Uh, guys. Let's see. What did we do wrong? Oh, we didn't turn this on. Alright, let's test it out. Let's see. 4, 3, 2, 1. UI? Oh. Oh my gosh! I. Uh, whoa! I learned something new today. I genuinely did not know that. I I learned something by trying, and I'm not even exaggerating. I never knew this. This is actually insane. What? I never. I'm actually amazed. I'm so sorry. I just never done this before. Let's clone it, shall we? Okay, clone dot parent. All right. I don't know what this is gonna do, but let's just see. I think it's gonna clone it, and the clone is gonna go to here. Oh yes! Oh my gosh! I never. Oh, I'm being so serious. I didn't know this could even work. I I tried. I can't believe it. I used to use ChatGPT all the time. Let me show you. Literally right now, I was using ChatGPT. But look, I learned along the way. You could use AI. Just try to learn from it. Look, I have so much. Look, everything about script right here, script right there, script, everything. But I actually won. I am getting better than UI. I mean, AI, whatever. But I, I didn't know this could actually become true, and I could actually customize this and put this in games. I am officially a developer. Well, I've been, I mean, I've been a developer, but like, oh, I'm just so amazed I actually did something without AI that wasn't like this. Because don't get me wrong, I've been using AI for the past 3 years, but along the way, I learned. I learned from AI. I learned from my mistakes, and I it worked. I mean, look, I I took time and I actually made this by myself. And how was I supposed to know this was gonna work? I mean, I tried, man. I, oh man, since I don't know how I did this. Sorry, I'm so amazed. I'm so happy. I can't believe I got this script to work. You wanna try something new? Look, tool dot name. You can even change the clone name. Clone. Wait, I don't know if this is gonna do anything. Also, yeah. No. Tool clone. And then dang it, clone. I don't know. Tool dot name equals bit. I don't know where this came from. It's bit. Let's try it out. You don't have to do this. I'm just trying it myself. Will it work? Will the pop-up work? I wonder if it'll work. The sword. Oh my gosh! Bit. It's called bit. Whoa! Look, we could even go deeper than that. Okay, look. Tool, tool dot, tool dot handle. That's the part. Dot rotation equals. Actually, let's do this. Uh, I I never done this, so it's gonna be something new for me and you. While true, do tool dot tool dot handle dot rotation plus equals 1. Wait, no, task dot wait 0.09. And to my hypotenuse, it should rotate the handle. Let's wait for the pop-up. Free sword, yes sir. And it looks like it didn't work. But hey, it's alright. Cause look what we got to do. Now we could spam this and I just got an idea. Oh my gosh. So look, I'm kind of bad at this. So I'm gonna use a server script. I'm gonna use a server script to take away money. So we're gonna do data store. Actually, data stores don't work when it's in a template, right? Data store saving. I I feel weirded out from this one. Looks weird. Oh. And what's it called, Mister? Cache, okay? Okay. And since this didn't work, I'm just gonna delete that. Oop. Tool, no. Then look what I'm gonna do. Local leader stat equals okay. Player dot leader stats dot cache. Okay? Now we're gonna do leader stat. I don't know. Shoot. Leader stat dot value. No, leader stat equals uh shoot, one. Let's just see what this. I don't believe it, cause I already got an error and it's very sketchy. Yeah. Uh, well, look, it's even broken now. But that's your pop-up. You we successfully did it. We made this. Don't worry about the leader stat. I was just working. The tool name too. I was just working with that. But yeah, cool. So this will be our final script right here. So yeah, I'll put it in the description. All three of these scripts. That's it. Goodbye. Thanks for watching.